you will not believe what I did. I bought all these items a couple of weeks back, and I have still not unpacked them. I'm going to show you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing Cartier unboxing. So they're still intact in this little Cartier bag, because I wanted to do the first unboxing, first impression with you. So still they're here and we are going to see it together. I'm making this purchase. I actually took you guys with me. You have a full vlog of this purchase, so I will put the link down below so you can watch that vlog when I made this purchase. And today we are going to see it together inside. Okay, before we do the unboxing, want to show you the watch I'm wearing. This is my Cartier Panther steel watch in small size, and I'm in so much love with this watch. How pretty and cute is this? And I told you guys that initially I wanted to get the mini size, but ended up with the small size, and I am in love. I think I have made the right decision, and small is actually a good size. My wrist is in the smaller size, and I still think the small is actually looks more like a watch, and it's kind of like a jewelry and watch, but it's more watch, whereas the mini one looks more like jewelry piece. You don't see the dial so much, it's so tiny. For the gold color, I think it's fine with the mini, but for the stainless steel, I'm happy with what I did. And I will do another review for this watch like few months later, so you can know more details about it. But so far I'm really enjoying it, and let's do it together now. Okay, by the way, my nails are so bad looking because I did long time I was doing my nails and I totally damaged them. Now I'm just keeping them bare, so bear with me. They look not their best, but they're recovering. Okay with the look of them because they're my natural nails. It's fine, it's not aesthetically pleasing, but it's totally okay because I just feel like they need to breathe, they need to recover, and everything natural is the best. So I prefer doing press-on, and I'll link down below my favorite press-on nails, so you can also check those. I recently posted a video on my Instagram. I will link it also. I'll show it somewhere here in the screen. You can go ahead and check those press-on nails. They are so much more easier. But anyways, today I just kept them as it is, and we're going to see what we have in our Cartier box. So I made two purchases, two different items here. Absolutely love these, sealed boxes. They're so special. And we have the receipt here, Cartier receipt. My SA sent me her card. Also, I think these are probably the warranty. Yeah, these are the warranty certificate. We have two for two different purchases. I was telling you guys there is no extra gifts, like no fragrance or anything she put in the bag, whereas my SA who helped me with my watch actually gave me two fragrance samples, and they're travel size, pretty good size. I saw them couple of days after I actually unboxed my watch. They were in the shopping bag and I never really noticed them. 2-3 days back, and I was checking all the bags, like all the cards and certificates, everything. I found those beautiful fragrances. They smell absolutely beautiful. I will show them to you in another video, so I can just talk about them. You know what perfume I received. But so what I want to tell you guys, both of my purchases, the watch and these two purchases, are from two different SAs, because I had to go to another person because my initial SA who helped me with this, she was not available on that day when I wanted this small watch, and I bought it right before the price increase. So the next day they actually increased the price, so I had no other choice. I had to go to him to buy the watch. And surprisingly, I liked him so much because he just pampered me with all these gifts, and overall my experience with him was better when I bought the watch. So I'm going to stick to him, And this one was a good experience, but not as good as I had with him. So I'm sticking to him, who helped me with the watch. And if you need his contact information, or if you're looking to buy something, you can let me know. I can help you, getting his contact as well. It's not a problem. So now let's do the unboxing. This is the close-up of this, and I just don't want to tear it open, but we have to. Let's do that. We start it from here. I think I'm going to keep this package forever. I love this seal. It is so special. Here you go. Here comes a small. And this is the first time we're going to see it together at home, because this is my first time opening it. Oh, look at that. It's just so stunning. I don't know how I had so much patience all these days and did not open it, just because I love you guys so much. Wanted to see it with you together. So beautiful. So this is their Clash de Cartier. This is the smaller size. I feel like with all of my Cartier purchase, especially for the rings and also the bracelets, I like the smaller version, because for my hand or wrist sizes, the original one looks like classic ones looks too thick, too big. I think if you're more taller, bigger, your wrist is a little bit bigger, they might look good, but for your personal preference. But for my lifestyle, my personal preference, you guys know I always go for dainty pieces. I love small but sparkly pieces, so I had to go with the smaller size. I tried the bigger sizes, but I actually did not like it. And this is for my index finger, and I think it looks so beautiful. Let me know how does it look next to my love ring. This is also my small love ring, and I did a full unboxing and review before when I bought this a few years back. Anyways, how is the new ring? What do you think, guys? Just love it so much. So happy. And I actually bought this for my index finger, and my index finger in my right hand is a little more thicker than the left hand, and I think none of my ring actually fits my right hand index finger, so I wanted something to fit in here, so I bought it for this finger. So it's a little big, but in this finger it's perfectly fits. Also, like, see, it's just perfectly fits. It's tight, so it's not going to fall. And also for my index in the left hand, it also fits. So this is going to be in my index finger, and I love it so much. I think I really did a good purchase. I love it. Definitely I want the bracelet, the Clash de Cartier bracelet one day. I'm not a big fan of their necklace or the earrings, because I don't know, I don't really wear bigger hoops anymore. I used to do before, even like smaller hoops, like very tiny, like I'm wearing today is fine, but not the size that they have for Clash de Cartier. So I feel like for me, the bracelet will be next to my wish list. It's very pricey, so not anytime soon I'm going to get it, but maybe someday. Now we have one more item to unbox here. Do you guys have any idea? If you have watched my vlog a few days back, I posted, you already know what is here, but anyways, we are going to see it now together. Okay, so how great it feels to unbox. Here you go. So that's the D'Amour necklace in a size small, I believe. There is another smaller size which is X small, and then they have the larger, but for me I think small looked the best. When I tried it, instantly fell in love. I had no intention to buy this. I actually went for just some clue ring, and also wanted to check the just some clue bracelet. I did. In that video, if you watch, you will see that I was checking, wearing and trying the just some clue bracelet and the ring, but ended up buying this and the Clash de Cartier ring. I don't know what happened to me. I instantly fell in love with this, and I thought just some clue can wait. I love it so much, but still it can wait. I cannot buy everything all together, but I needed this before anything. I loved it so much. And here is the necklace. What do you think, guys? It looks so pretty. Here I'm wearing my teeny tiny D'Amour necklace, and I think it's so pretty. It's so tiny, so sparkly, and so pretty. I love the fact that it's just, you know, shines and blinks with your different movement. It's daylight, but there's no sun today. It's really gloomy, but if you have a sunny day, if you have like a good light, if you have different lighting, it just makes you blind. I feel like this is a perfect everyday necklace that I can wear all the time without worrying. It's just very, very tiny, but you have that sparkle. I think most of my necklaces are like that, and you know, a lot of people just do custom made necklaces for this kind of necklaces, but I really wanted to have like the Cartier diamond, which is like barely a diamond. It's very, very small, very tiny, the amount of diamond, but I really appreciate the you know, craftsmanship, and also the shine, like the way they made it. It's really special and looks very nice. Like I have seen other jewelers making it, but for this style I think Cartier did the best, so I had to get it. And it's not really you know, if you compare any other jewelry from Cartier, it's like more affordable. So I think in future it will really go high up in price, so better I get it now, because it has been in my wish list for a long time. So guys, I will really appreciate to know your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. To know what you think about my new necklace and this beautiful ring, and also the watch. Your thoughts will be really appreciated. I just love discussing about jewelries, luxury pieces. I enjoy that. It's part of like a recreation. Also, you guys watch my video, but a lot of you have not subscribed. I will highly request you to subscribe to my channel. It will actually motivate me to create more better videos and to be more regular. Let me know in the comment section below which Cartier piece is your favorite and which one is in your wish list, what you're getting next. And if you have a recent purchase, a video related to Cartier pieces, let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely love to go to your channel and check that. You guys are my friends and I love chit-chatting about all this stuff. So yeah, that is everything for today. Hope you enjoyed this little Cartier unboxing video, and I'll be seeing you next time on my next video. Take care. Bye.